Hey guys, Brian and Erin here from 5 to Go. We are checking out this Primetime Tracer 170 RS. It's got some interesting things on the inside that we haven't seen yet today, so I'm going to take you in.
Yeah, I wanted to show this one off because I think it's like a really cool little no frills, no slides, just mobile office.
Yep.
Like a couple's mobile office.
It's 23 feet long, so not too bad, and it weighs 4,300 pounds. So.
Oh. That's actually really light.
Yeah.
So it's a Tracer ultralight. Yeah.
Yep.
And that's Tracers by Forest River. So before we go in, this is just the standard pass-through under the bed up front. And actually one thing before we go in, one thing I do like is that it has the armed awnings, which means you can come out and you can strap these awnings down, and it's almost a full length. So you can strap it down and basically have a covered outdoor space the entire length of the RV. So from the door, we've got bed. And there's a little bit of a shelf here. I guess if I slept with my feet that way, the CPAP would work because there is power down here. Yeah. There's a little bit of storage up there. I'm guessing...
This goes all the way back, so it's kind of a normal front end of a trailer.
Yeah,
storage.
But just one. You'd normally get one on both sides. But again, 2 people, you're not taking a lot with you.
No.
That's the bathroom there. Not a bad bathroom for this size RV.
Correct. And they have a... shower curtain, so you're not getting hemmed in by a door.
And it's a curve, so it's got a little bit more room up there for shoulders. Toilet, it looks a little snug, but without the door there, like you have room to kind of maneuver and do what you need to do.
I can wash my hands.
Wash your hands right there.
Well,
yeah. All right, so we'll close this. Yeah. We got a wall to decorate.
Wall to decorate.
Nice big wall to decorate there. And then this is the view from the front. And this is what we poked our heads in here. We're like, ooh.
Yeah.
So this is all counter. This is one piece of counter that goes all the way to the rear. Actually, I guess it's 2 pieces because the oven stove is in the way.
Right, but still.
But a nice big sink with a big gooseneck and a window behind it. Mm-hmm. We've got some drawers and cabinets down here. This I would just yank out.
Aww.
And either extend the cabinet, just have like a portable induction like we've done before, and then just have more storage down here. But it's gas. Y'all know I'm not a fan of toting gas around. We've got cabinets up here. A teeny tiny glorified popcorn microwave. Is this like a 0.7 cubic feet or something ridiculous?
You can do a plate.
Do a plate.
You can do a plate.
Fridge is over here. It's actually a decent sized fridge. It's the one we've been seeing in a lot of RVs that has it says press to open, but it's actually a latch underneath. So good size fridge. For this size RV, it's a good size fridge.
Yeah, for 2 people, not bad.
And then a big drawer freezer. It's actually a pretty sizable freezer for this size.
Lots of ice cream in there.
Yep. And then what's in here?
A little pantry.
Okay, it's not like a pull-out anything. No. It's just couple deep cubbies there.
But we liked this.
Yeah.
We liked this. There's lots of windows. These come with day and night shades.
Oh, it's the bi-directional shades. Nice. And
then you can pop them out so you can get a nice cross breeze. All of these windows open.
Yeah, those pop out too.
But
and that opens.
This is what our desk is like at home. Like we could sit here and work together with different chairs. These chairs are actually pretty comfortable. No back though.
Yeah.
But you have all this, if you're parked somewhere beautiful, you can sit here and work and not feel, like you're away from everything. And then these are nice. Brian wants bigger TV, but you're really close to it. You don't need to get much bigger TV.
Sitting here, first of all, the TV is way too high for residential use. But there's room. You could have a larger TV, and I guarantee you it's just a crappy little cheap panel. You could put a nicer, larger TV there. No issues whatsoever.
If you needed to. But yeah, this was an interesting one. Yeah. They have it listed, I think it's $27,000.
Yeah, $26,900. Yep.
For the prices. Yep. And so, something you could get into and
it was only, what was the weight on it again?
4,300.
Yeah, super light. It's under 5,000 pounds. These are both recliners with cup holders, and it's nice. Or, I guess, you could have a couch here.
Yeah.
Or you could replace that. Because there's no slides and nothing weird going on in here, you could replace that with something residential that's more comfortable and fits this space better.
You just have to be careful because the door is really small.
The door
always
is
have to
quite
think
small.
about the door.
Okay,
and,
you could replace this with something from IKEA because it'll come flat packed.
That's right.
And
that's
it'll
right.
fit
We gotta
through the door.
We gotta get caveats, but there are plugs over here. There's USB, USB-C. And the air conditioning, I turned it off while we were filming because it was a little loud, but it is kicking, efficient.
Man. Yeah, so I think it's just the one. Yeah, just the one AC unit here, and it is kind of ducted, but it was in dump mode, so I don't know how well the ducting works. Yes. But yeah, let me come to the back and look forward.
It's a nice little rig.
Yeah.
Especially if you both need to work.
Yeah, like I said, like couples
and hang out.
Yeah, couples working rig. Like you can. I would not full time in this. No. But if we just wanted to like go travel around for a couple weeks or a month or something, and we had work from the road, it's a great space. And there's no slides. You don't have to worry about things failing. You don't have to worry about slides not going in and out. You don't have to worry about seals leaking. Like there are a lot of people that leave comments on our video, and we talk to on Discord. A lot of people just don't like slides.
Which is interesting, but I understand. It's just
I totally get it. Yeah, I get it. So I'm wondering, I want to look more at this brand, Primetime Tracer. Yeah. I wonder if they have another one that has like this back end, but this is the more traditional, like forward, even if it's a little longer and a little heavier, but to have the better bed, because
you're making compromises here.
You're climbing over each other. I would probably have to sleep with my feet that way to be able to put my CPAP up here, because you cannot put CPAPs
above,
5
at least
feet
yours,
above your head. Yeah, mine you can't. Which
means that my head would be like right here by the door, which is kind of weird.
Yeah.
The people that we're traveling around with today to look at the stuff made a comment too. If you peek your head out here, you can use all of this awning space.
Yeah, head on out there.
Because there's no slide.
Yeah, because I was talking about the awning before I came in. The awning is basically the full length of the rig.
Right, but you can set up like your picnic table and your chairs and stuff and be underneath the awning and not have to worry about
that awning is as wide as the RV. Like you can have a really nice outdoor space because it's the awning with the arms. You can strap it down
and keep it out,
like we did with the 312. You can kind of build your outdoor space, and nice there's nothing here in the way other than the water heater is down there. That's not gonna the only issue there is that hot air does come out of there. Yeah. Every once in a while.
You just set up back here.
Yeah, but single axle.
You get everything.
It's got the nice non-scissor, just the single arm leveling back there, and here, and the tongue jack. So you actually have a lot of points of contact. I like this rig.
It's kind of neat, and it's a good price. It's a good price.
Yeah, it's a good price for 2025.
Yes.
Yeah, because back in 2017, things were a lot cheaper when we first started, but it is what it is. I also, points for, yes, it says Tracer in huge letters on the sides, but by and large, it's not big, weird swoops with a bunch of different overlapping colors and all that. It's actually pretty nice looking.
Yeah.
And then we'll get a look at the back. Like, it's pretty standard, but that's that huge window that's in there. Yeah, I like it. Nice little rig.
Kind of fun. Let me know if you have one like this, because I don't know how they travel.
I'm curious. I want to hear from people that have smaller slideless trailers.
And ultralight kind of things, and what they
so not Airstreams. Like we know Airstreams are slideless little wonders, but they are Airstreams. Yes. I'm more curious about this style of RV.
Let us know if you've had one before. You're looking at one now. I'm curious what it has. So. Yeah. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.